What's up, guys? Today we're going to be continuing our series from scratch to app, and particularly today we're going to be making our Replit website turn into a functioning iOS application that we could run and simulate in our iOS emulator and even download on our phone. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so as you can see on my screen right here, I ended up changing what we were going to do because the skill swap app was too difficult because it was more of like a social media app that takes a lot more resources, a lot more time, and it wouldn't be able to fit in this 5-part series. So we're just going to continue on this. So I ended up making a water tracking app. Here's some main features. You guys can read through this, pause the video, read through this. But basically, you open up the app, click on what you've drank so far, and it tracks it. Simple logging, visual progress, history and streaks. And then to monetize, we have a free app with ads or ad-free experience for a one-time purchase or subscription. And then we have some premium features. So I took this and I was like, all right, we can work with this. We could turn this into something quick, and we could, I can properly take you guys from this idea to an iOS application within 5 episodes. So what I ended up doing with this was same thing as last episode. I just took it into Replit, and I literally just put in. So first, I took that idea and I put it into V0, right? I gave V0 the exact ChatGPT prompt that I was given. So remember, I said that to just copy and paste it. I did literally that, and V0 gave me this pretty cool. V0 gave me this pretty cool website, as you guys can see right here, and let this load up. Okay, so that's basically what it gave me. Get started. It takes you to an account login, create an account, some features. So this is all features that I specified in the ChatGPT prompt. Some pricing and whatnot. Okay, so I then downloaded this. If you guys just need a refresher, I pressed download zip, and then I went over to Replit, and I gave Replit that file. You could see it right here, water track. This is the file with everything that was given from V0. So I took the V0 water check from what it gave me, the zip file, and I just unzipped it, grabbed the folder, threw it in here, and this is what it gave me. So if I just open this up in a new tab, so this is what it is. Now, we do see some things here that are consistent with iOS apps or mobile applications in general. Instead of having the bar up here, we instead have the settings bar up here, and we have the different tabs on here. And these are actually functioning tabs, and this is what I'm talking about. Replit will sort of change your website into more of a mobile application. It won't make it a complete mobile application, but it will change it more into a mobile application. And then from there on, you take it into Cursor, which is what we're gonna do in this YouTube video. So these are functioning tabs down here. We have today. If you could literally add, and this is what I'm talking about. You could add, and then boom, 100% water added. You get a notification. History. We got some history data. Stats. So okay, this isn't working. We can actually fix this. This is good. I think that's just because someone is not logged in. Let me see if we go here. Okay. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me see if I fix this. Alright, guys. So after playing around with a couple settings, it was taking the time format incorrectly. It's just whatever. We got it fixed. Now this should work. Yeah. So you can change your goals. I'm just showing you guys a couple features that you can do with this. Add your history, stats. So with something like this, where we need to take information from something, we would use a database, and that's where we're gonna use Firebase Firestore. But we'll talk about that probably in the 3rd or 4th video. But for now, it's very simple. Water tracking app, very clean, very simple. Hydro track. Let's take this and let's get it into Cursor, and then let's work from there. Alright, guys. So to get this into Cursor, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna press download as zip. Right? And when you press download as zip, it's gonna pop up right here. File foundation.zip. It's gonna give you all of these files right up in here. So let's open this up, extract it, and so we got it. Okay, it's downloaded, it's opened. Now let's get into Cursor. So first, what you're gonna want to do that I didn't mention is you're gonna make sure you have Xcode downloaded. Again, the links will be in the description, but you're gonna make sure you have Xcode downloaded, and you're gonna press create new project, and you're gonna want to press. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, you're gonna want to press iOS app, and then you're gonna want to name it. For the product name, you're gonna name it. So let's name our app Hydro Tracker. Organization identifier, you're gonna want to get your domain name. So whatever your domain is, your domain is, you're gonna want to put that here. So we have com.hydrotrackerapp. I'm gonna try to get that domain. If not, we can just change it. Interface Swift UI, language Swift, and yes. So this is all good. Press next, and then you're gonna want to put it somewhere. You could put it anywhere, and then press create. So we have ours created in documents. Okay. So this is Hydro Tracker, right? Now it's gonna give us a bunch of sample files just to see, make sure everything's working. We're not gonna mess with that as much. Let's keep this right here. Okay. You're gonna wanna bring up cursor, and in cursor is very simple. So you're gonna want to bring up cursor. I moved the the Xcode down to my bottom window just so I could work with this to have enough space. You want to press open project, and then go into that folder where you just had the other one. So Hydro Tracker, open that up. Boom. All right. So you're gonna see all your files here. You're gonna see everything here. Now, what you're gonna say to Cloud is very important. So I use Cloud 3.7 Sonnet. You could use oh, they got rid of it. Oh, thinking. Okay, yeah. So you could use the thinking model just so that I think it has better results, to be honest. When I've used it in the past, it makes the AI think before it does, and that's very important. And our Xcode just actually booted up. So this is what you get base, right? This is what it makes for you base. This is all it is. You see the globe emoji, the hello world. But now let's actually get this into here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually have cursor turn what we had in Replit into an iOS application. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna say, okay, I have a website that I want to turn into a mobile application on iOS. Alright, so I made a mistake. You're going to go to Finder, go to downloads, grab the file from cursor, you're gonna put it into there, and you're gonna say Alpha Nation, this is my website. Code, can you make it into a iOS? Use at file foundation for reference. Okay, I don't know why it's not booting that up. Alright, yeah, I don't know why it's not doing it. Whatever. Just take out that. Okay. So we're gonna send that. It's gonna go back, it's gonna do everything. Alright, so let's let this do its thing, and I'll get back to you guys in a bit. Alright guys, we're back. It did take a little bit. So this is everything it did. So let's actually head back into here and see, you made all these files. There's a couple errors, so you want to go here, and these are the errors. So what you're gonna do is when you run into errors like this, so you're gonna press copy, come in here, you're gonna say there's an error in Hydro Tracker app. Paste it, let it do the thing. It's gonna fix it. You can actually see it change in real time too. So boom, changed it. It straight up deleted it. Now, okay, so it fixed it. Okay, so no more errors. You're gonna want to press this right here. Now what it's gonna do is it's gonna build the app. So it's basically going to compile everything and run it. And you're gonna see build succeeded, and it's gonna pop up. Okay, so it's trying to run on my app. So you're gonna want to click here, and you're gonna want to press whichever one you want it to run on. So let's do iPhone 16 Pro Max. You can press run, and it's gonna build it again, and then it's gonna pop up. So it popped up right here, and this is literally an iPhone 16. Let it load up, let it boot up. All right, so it booted up. It should download it. Yeah, it's gonna install it now. You can see it installing, and it's gonna pop up. So it's booting up right now. Might take a little bit. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Allow HydroTiger to send you notifications. Allow. So boom. Look at this. This is a fully functioning app with the most bare minimum functions. You add how many waters you have. Add custom amount. Like, this is perfect. History. You see all your history. Now there's so many more things you could do with this. You could change your water goal. That's so far. All right. But oh, that's so dope. So yeah, so this is just a basic application. I went from turning this right here with all these different things, reminders and everything, into this application right here. So yeah, guys, so that was a quick and easy setup guide. Um, in the next video, we're gonna go over how to add sign in. We're gonna go into how to integrate Firebase for databases, for notification sendouts, for paywall optimization, all that stuff. So yeah, guys, subscribe, like, leave a comment. If you guys need help with anything, you guys can leave a comment down below, and I'll reach out to you guys. Yeah, thank you. Have a great day. God bless you guys. Peace out.